Today, I'm reviewing the EVOLPOW M2D all-in-one Smith Machine home gym. This rack right now is on sale for $800 plus free shipping. I did 4 of my workouts on 4 separate days on this equipment. I did my chest and tri, back and bi, shoulders, and legs. When I started building my garage gym, I don't think anything like this existed. The idea of having a Smith machine in your garage was not even an option.
Oh, dang. It's here.
I put this entire piece of equipment together by myself. I spent 2 days building it, about 3 hours each day. So around 6 or 7 hours of total work. To make your life a lot easier, I would recommend that you have a 17mm socket and a 17mm wrench. There's also a few Allen bolts, so having a set of Allen wrenches will allow you to tighten those as well. It was pretty easy to put together. What I did was I would lay out all the pieces that I was going to be installing on each step, and then I would just attach all those pieces and then lay out the pieces for the next step and put those all together. Installing the cables was the most intimidating part because I'd never done anything like that before. So I laid them all out so I could see which was which. I started with the 2 short ones first, and then once I understood how those went together, it all kind of started to make sense. Then I put on the medium one and finally the long one. When you install the long cable, you have to remove the head so that you can feed that in through the system. The bench was super easy to put together. I had it together in 30 minutes, I'd say. It's very sturdy. It's got all the angles you need. It goes perfectly upright. This bench right now on their website is like $239. And it looks cool. It looks just like the $900 bench that I wanted to buy before I found this one. This piece of equipment is extremely sturdy. It is stable. It feels safe when I'm using it. This pulley system is rated at 700 pounds. The J hooks, 800 pounds. The dip handles, 350 pounds. The pull-up bar is rated at 400 pounds. The Smith machine is rated at 500 pounds. The safety spotter arms rated to 700 pounds. It is built to use heavy weights on this equipment. You can use heavy weights. I tried to sort of slam it around a little. I dropped some weights on these safety pegs. I wanted to make sure that it was solid, and it was. This is not designed to be bolted to the ground. It's just a freestanding piece of equipment. This equipment completely changed my garage gym workouts. It made them more fun. I can do different cable exercises that make my workout easier. And then I can do Smith machine exercises that make my workout safer. I actually failed. That's one of the beauties of the Smith machine is you can just rotate the bar and rack it lower. And that was sick. It worked perfect. I'm so freaking shocked at how good this is. For 800, this thing is 800 bucks free shipping right now on sale. Like if I'd have known that I could have this instead of my other setup, seriously, dude, this is like a new thing. These are called a functional trainer. This is built in with the Smith machine. I can do so much more safer. Woo! 4, not 8, but 4. I was able to set it up so that I can incline bench with safety bars. So if I hit failure, I can just rack the bar. When I go to the public gym, The incline bench press does not have safety bars. You have to have a spotter. So this allows me to incline bench in my garage without a spotter. Here I went a little bit too heavy. I'm doing an incline cable pressing movement. So I had to drop the weight and get my form a little bit better. But cool movement that you can do on this equipment. The width of this equipment is a limiting factor. That's not a problem with EVOLPOW as a brand. It's just it's a limitation of this style of equipment. So when you're doing bench press flies, where you lay the bench flat and you're trying to do a fly movement, you can't get a big wide stretch because the distance between the two bars is only so much. Same thing for cable crossovers. You can do cable crossovers on this equipment in your garage. And you can get that last 60 or 70% of the movement where you get that really good squeeze at the end. But at the other end of the range of motion where you let it pull your chest out wide, you're not going to get that big stretch. I'm a big guy. I am 6'3", 280 pounds. I was pleasantly surprised I could make the adjustments on this equipment and do pretty much everything that I like to do. This was one of the exercises I was most excited about. Being able to do tricep pushdowns in my garage gym is a total game changer for me. It worked perfect. I could also do the overhead. I call them overhead nose breakers with the rope, where you're doing basically an overhead extension with the triceps. These were awesome. Gave me a great pump. Having the cable system in my own garage made me want to try some new things. So here I am doing weighted ab crunches with the tricep rope behind the head. When doing pull downs, you're not going to be coming straight down from above your head because of the height of the pulley. But what I found is if I move the bench back just a little bit, you're getting at an angle and you can get a really good back workout and stretch. And since I don't have anything to hold my legs down, putting one foot up on the upright to brace myself worked perfect. I like to do my shoulder presses with the bench at just a slight angle, the very lowest possible angle. So I angle my bench just one click down. Now I can push it all the way to the front of the rack, and it's actually the perfect spot. Hits me right, just misses my chin, boom, comes down to the top of the chest, boom. So I'm hyped. I can Smith machine, shoulder press, exactly how I like to do it. Boom. Oh. I couldn't skip leg day this week because of making this video. I had to get out there and push myself. I've mostly quit doing free squats, and I do all my squatting in a Smith machine. So having the ability to squat on a Smith machine in my own garage is awesome. I went up to 315, which is on the heavier end of what I squat now at my age. It felt awesome. The Smith machine held it in perfect place. I was able to go extra deep, and I felt safe. And I was able to work calves for the first time ever in my garage. I've never had any equipment that allowed me to work calves in any way, so that was cool. What is my final verdict on this EVOLPOW M2D Brute all-in-one Smith Machine home gym? If you're looking for something that's all-in-one, that comes with a bunch of accessories, that makes your workout in your home or garage gym safe, and you're on a budget, you cannot go wrong with this piece of equipment. I also like the styling of it.
The knurling on these is nice. It is thicker. It's a very high quality chin-up bar.
Look how cool these look. They're super sturdy, but they're all high quality, welded, and straight angles. You don't have any of that cheap round tubing. See how everything is at a right angle? It has that sharp, cool look, and I like that. This is where you store your chin-up bar. The Smith machine is smooth. All of these all-in-one multifunctional Smith machines, multifunctional trainers are gonna have some limitations as far as crossovers or flies. So instead of being able to get this full stretch out here, you're gonna have to come in just a little bit. Same thing with your crossovers. You're not gonna get this full stretch like you might get at the commercial gym. You're gonna have to get that final squeeze at the end. The benefit is they take up a very small footprint in your workout space. So you could literally have this in your garage in a corner, and in some garages you could still fit 2 cars in there. Overall, I would give this equipment a 9 out of 10 based on the fact that comparatively to other functional trainers just like this one, this is one of the least expensive pieces of equipment like this that I've seen anywhere, and it has some really nice features that make it look cooler and function better than what some of the competition is out there. I'm gonna get so much use out of this piece of equipment. I look forward to training in my garage now. My movements are easier, and it's more like the workout that I'm used to getting in a commercial gym. So now I can save myself the drive and actually get more use out of my garage gym. If you're interested in getting this equipment, you can use my link in the description, or you can use my coupon code, which is Challenge Theory, and you can just go to evolpow.com and use the Challenge Theory coupon code. Either way, you get a discount, and I get a little bit of a commission, so I appreciate that. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. I will answer all comments or questions. That's all I got. More cool stuff to come. Peace.